Instructor overrides. Overrides are granted to students individually, which then allows them to register for a course in Polaris. First, we'll cover the 4 types of overrides. Note that some are available during rounds 1 and 2 of registration, and others are available during the add-drop periods. The first is instructor permission. During rounds 1 and 2 of registration, you'll use this override only when permission to enroll is mandatory. Usually that means that a writing sample or audition is required. During the add-drop periods, the instructor permission box is required for all students, even when there is space available in the course. This is also often used in conjunction with the 3 other types of overrides that we'll cover next. The second type is the PCC override. This is used to override the need for a prerequisite, co-requisite, or excluded course. During add-drop, you'll need to use this in conjunction with instructor permission. The third type of override is the class size override. This is unavailable during rounds 1 and 2, and only available during the add-drop periods, to override the class enrollment limit. It is applicable to all courses, labs, and discussion sections, and must be used in conjunction with instructor permission. The last type is the MMC override, which stands for Major Minor Class Standing. This override is unavailable during rounds 1 and 2, and is only available during add-drop. Use it in conjunction with instructor permission in order to enroll a student in a course limited to majors only, or one that is limited to a certain class standing, for example, only seniors or only first-year students. Find and enable overrides by going to the Instructor Overrides section of the Faculty tab, located above My Classes. Search for a student by last name or ID, and select a course or section from the drop-down. During rounds 1 and 2, the last options are unavailable, because those only apply during add-drop. Select the applicable overrides and click Submit. You can confirm these by going to the History tab. If you need to make changes, you can submit again, and your last submission will be saved. Don't forget to inform the student that you have given them permission or an override so that they can then register for your course in Polaris.